Today we have a video from Body Cam Stories, and the title of the video is Entitled Man Finds Out That Slapping a 15-year-old Has Consequences.
A suspect approached a young girl standing in her front yard. Without warning, he allegedly slapped her and grabbed her before walking away from the scene. But the incident didn't end there.
Get on the ground.
No,
get on the ground.
Did I break any law?
Get on the ground.
I know my right.
Get on the ground.
Break any law?
Get on the ground.
Did I break any law?
Get on the ground.
I can stand my ground. Why are you bullying me?
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Bro, you wanna fight?
Get on the ground.
What did I do? Tell me. Exactly, you break the laws now. I did commit no crime. Yeah, well, you wanna touch my dick? You faggot? Yeah, oh, fucking faggot. Fuck you. I smell weed from you. Are you high? Yeah, you high. Why I smell weed from you? I have nothing in my pockets. I smell you. Why you smell weed? I smell weed here. I have no weed. You can put something plain in my pockets. I have nothing in my pockets. I have no drugs. Absolutely. You can test my drug. You can test my blood. I absolutely control myself. And you break the law now. I commit no crime. You commit the crime. Yeah, you commit the crime. I did nothing. What's your business? Why should I tell you my name?
Because we're just suspecting you of a crime.
Okay, suspicion is nothing.
Yes, it is.
Okay, let's go.
That allows us to detain you.
Oh, really?
Yes, it does. When I suspect you of a crime, it allows us to...
Suspect? What the fuck means suspect? I suspect that you're a
Okay.
So what? Why do you take me? Is this you're breaking the law? What did they... No, I don't want to sit down. Why do you enforce on me? No. No, I break no law. I break no law.
Stop screaming.
No, you break the rules.
You
break the rules. I have no drugs. You break the rules. Fuck the police.
Don't just think that he's going to just sit in the car because I'm telling him to sit in the car.
So what?
Come this way. Come this way.
Fuck you. Yes, I hate you, police. Yeah, you're fucking nothing. What's up, bro?
In the car.
Great.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Fuck you.
What's your name, sir?
Fuck you.
What's...
Your name is fuck you.
Why are you so angry?
Because I fuck you, I hate police.
No, but what's wrong with you? Do you like...
I have a problem with immigration, because immigration took my fucking papers.
Okay,
I'm homeless.
Okay, we can help you with
I
that.
don't have PTSD.
Okay, we can help you with that.
Because you fucking torture people. Fuck you.
I can help you with that, sir.
Torturing police.
Oh yeah, how you gonna help him? You gonna call ICE? How you gonna help him? he talk about, oh yeah, we can help you with that. We can help you with that. Damn, immigrate. Just because you hear an accent doesn't necessarily mean that they're not from here. You know what I mean? Like, the United States is full of people from all different backgrounds and stuff like that, right? So, but when you do hear an accent, your antennas do go up. It's like, are you a foreigner? Because, right, let me think. Because I know people who have, like, Hispanics that have an accent that have been here for years and born here and stuff like that. And it's like, they're born here, but they still have an accent. And it's like, damn, where did they get that accent from? But it's probably because at home, that's how, they speak. But yeah, immigration paperworks, the only person they could call is ICE. Get your ass together, you hear me?
I hate government, because I hate immigration, because immigration took my fucking papers. I cannot fucking get anything. I cannot leave the country. I cannot get the job. I cannot get shit. I'm pissed off. I've been fucking homeless.
So because of that, like, you're gonna go attack a 15-year-old? Where are you from?
From your fucking mama.
Sir, I haven't disrespected you. I'm trying to help you.
Disrespect police. We have no fucking morals, no rights, nothing. You're bastards. All cops are bastards.
Hey, who called the police?
Yeah.
Who called?
We did.
What's going on?
We had the truck parked like this.
Yeah.
We were unloading the glass table, and all of a sudden, she starts screaming, and she said that he slapped her. you know? He slapped her on her face, and then that's her mom. So we all ran over there, and he was attacking her.
Okay.
So then we all, like, pushed him off, like, yo, what the fuck is wrong with you? This is our first day moving here, and we don't even know this guy. Then he was like, oh, show him. He just like, oh, fuck that.
He was like, call the police, I want to fight.
Call the cops, I want
He didn't want to leave her. He kept telling him to leave, but he literally didn't want to leave.
She's only 15.
I love fuck mamas.
How's your mom doing?
Fuck my mom. I killed my mom. My mom is dead.
How about your dad?
Fuck this mom. I hate my mom.
How about your dad?
I killed my mom.
How about your dad?
No, my dad was good.
I actually had to take her over here real quick because we have him down the street, but she has to be able to tell me if it's him or not. She's gonna be in the back of my car.
Can I go?
I mean, yeah, you could ride with us, yeah. Transporting the victim from the incident of occurrence to where we have the subject detained.
Sir, step out real quick, please. Face that car.
Just tell me yes or no, okay? Okay.
What's up? How about, yeah, you got a friend right. Here I am. Happy?
Take a seat, take a seat. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
Fuck you. You don't appreciate.
What's your date of birth?
What do you mean? Why do you care? I mean, bro, what are you doing me for? Why do you care? Why do you got information?
Because what you did to the little girl over there at the
I
house.
did nothing to little girl. What did they do? Which crime I committed? Did I touch anybody, assault anybody? Tell me what crime I committed.
I know
Tell
you-
me.
you told me.
You tell me. You police. Tell me what crime I committed.
I don't have to tell you anything.
Exactly. So shut the fuck up then.
What's your date of birth?
Immigration have all my information. How about that?
But how could I get with immigration and tell them who you are?
Okay,
If you don't give me your name.
Well, when I talk to immigration myself, I don't want you to speak to immigration. I want to talk to immigration. I try to talk to the man. I was assaulted in immigration.
Let me just get your name real quick. And you say you slapped you on this part of your face here?
Sir,
What?
are you going to give me your name?
No. I'm
Why
gonna
not?
go to. Why should
not?
I tell you mine? No, I have. I don't
Why-
want to.
why did you- why-
I have right to remain
Why
silent.
did you do that to the little girl?
I did nothing to a little girl.
You just spit on me?
Yeah. Hit me.
No, I'm not going to hit you. You just got
Come on,
charged-
hit me.
you just
Assault
got-
me.
You just got charged with another crime, all right?
Okay, what? I spit at law
Thank
enforcement.
you.
What crime did I commit? I fucking don't just.
Yeah, I charged him 132 on appeal. Just spit on me. He just spit on me. Yeah. Hit me right here.
What you just saw was one of those faces that you couldn't see it on the camera, but it was in disbelief, right? He spits, boom. The cop freezes. Did you just spit on me? And it's like, as those words are coming out of his mouth and he is processing what's going on in his brain right now, what just happened, it's processing. You can't see this stuff. It's processing. He's soaking it in. Did this guy just spit on me? And he wants to react in rage. Okay? If someone spits on you, that's natural for you to react with rage. Okay? But he realized all this is processing in real time. And he's realizing, okay, well, hold on. Still a police officer, can't react that way. Okay. Well, no, you're just gonna get hit with another charge. But in his brain, he is like, I want to beat the shit out of you right now. But he can't do that. Watch the freeze. The freeze is where everything is starting to process. Watch, I'm telling you. Trust me, I'm telling you, watch this. Everything is cool. He's trying to take a photo, whatever. But you're gonna see it start.
No, I don't want to. I have right to remain
Why
silent.
did you do that to the little girl?
I did nothing to a little girl.
Look. He paused back, and it's processing. It's processing what's going on. His eyes is trying to compute to his brain what just happened. Right? He's trying to get the brain waves working right. Look, I'm telling you,
You just spit on me?
Yeah. Hit
Did you just spit on me? Yeah. And then the guy has the nerve to say, yeah, what are you going to do about it? It's so much going on in his head right now. It's so much going on in his head right now. Look, look, look.
Sir,
What?
are you going to give me your name?
No. I'm
Why
gonna
not?
go to. Why should I
not?
tell you mine? No, I don't
Why-
have to
why
tell
did
you.
you- why-
I have right to remain
Why
silent.
did you do that to the little girl?
I did nothing to a little girl.
You just spit on me?
Yeah. Hit me.
No, I'm not going to hit you. You just
Come
got
on, hit me.
you just
Assault
got-
me.
You just got charged with another crime, all right?
Okay, what? I spit at law
Thank
enforcement.
you.
What crime did I commit? I fucking don't just.
Yeah, I charged him 132 on appeal. Just spit on me. He just spit on me. Yeah. Hit me right here.
Sir, what?
You going to give me your name or not?
I have right to remain silent. Fuck you. I'm gonna talk only to immigration.
So you want to go back to your country or no?
Yes, I wanna go back to my country.
What country is that? We need to know.
Any country, Russia, Ukraine, send me somewhere. Just give me my fucking papers. I was in the French Foreign Legion.
Okay. Were you special forces?
Yes, I'm a special force.
You have PTSD?
Yes,
Okay. All right, we're going to help you out with that. We're going to try to get you back to your country, okay?
appreciate it.
They found that name is because he's been arrested before.
Yeah.
That's why they found the name.
Here you go. Are you the mom of the 15-year-old? Okay, here you go. Here's the case number. So the report we're going to do is obviously going to go to jail for what happened here. The state attorney's office is going to be contacting him, all right, to like prosecute against him. If you guys fail to cooperate with the state attorney's office, they will drop the charges.
He's not his fault, right?
I don't know what he has. I think he has mental illness. More, yeah, because he seems a little, whatever. He's crazy.
You were saying call police.
Yeah, he's like, I want to fight. No. He told, yeah, he spit on me. He told me like if he had a gun, he would shoot a cop. Like,
Yeah, that's what I was.
He said he has mental problems.
no, man, just because you, that's not an excuse to commit crimes, especially against children.
No, like slap a little girl.
Hey, step out real quick. Sure. Thank you.
Thanks. Yeah, I'm good, bro.
Walk this way.
Sure.
What's up, brother?
What's up, big bro?
You good?
Oh, whatever, any car.
Thank you.
Let's go to the army.
Yes, sir.
Fuck yes, right on the boot camp.
You think you could pass boot camp at 31?
I bet. You wanna compete? Let's go.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Oh, you wanna beat me?
Just have a seat, brother. Thank you.
Appreciate it, thanks.
I'm gonna be in a second here. Appreciate it.
Thanks, bro. Good looks. Fuck it, you can throw it away. I don't give a shit. Fucking throw the shit away.
Straight through.
Thanks, bro. Good luck. Good luck. I'm just heading back to jail. I'm on jail. Yeah, go ahead, look.
Okay, open your mouth. Put your phone up. You can stop there. He has property?
Phone is too close.
Oh, close.
It's busy in there. Yeah, they reuniting. Yeah, what's up, bro? What's good? Yeah. Big old party in there. Yo, what is it? It's like going to the club. Look. Packed house tonight.
The suspect was arrested and now faces multiple charges, including child abuse without great bodily harm and battery on a law enforcement officer. For more videos like this, subscribe to Body.
Oh, man. Yeah. Gotta send him back to Russia, man. Get your ass on. I mean, you could tell by the accent that, that he comes from that type of family. Like, not that type of family, like an abusive family, but I'm saying like Russia, Ukraine, like that type of accent was what he got. So he's that type of descent, or however you want to say it, right? Yeah, man, that's crazy. That's crazy, man. They should have beat the shit out of him. What? You touch who? My kid? Oh yeah, we gonna get you together. Fuck the cops. I ain't. We gonna get you together right now. Cops? What? Oh no. This gonna be a little street justice. No. But in all reality, the family did the right thing. Called the cops to deal with him. They ended up catching up with him or whatever. But I ain't gonna lie. I'd have definitely got me 1 or 2 in before what? My little girl come back. Yeah, daddy, this man he did what? Boop, 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 boop. Oh, now we gonna call the cops. Yo, this dude oh yeah, you justified, sir, Mr. Oh yeah, oh, you good. Mr. Shy, thank you for your service, guy. Yeah, you good. Don't worry about it, man. Get his ass together, man. Crazy. People are nuts. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.